Are you ready to transform your home into the ultimate sanctuary? Look no further than Renovate Now Calgary, your premier choice for home renovations in Calgary. From creating stunning second suite basements to revamping bathrooms and kitchens, we specialize in turning your dreams into reality. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering top-notch craftsmanship and exceptional service every step of the way. At Renovate Now Calgary, we believe in using only the finest quality materials to ensure lasting beauty and functionality. Whether it's luxurious hardwood flooring, countertops, elegant granite, or state-of-the-art fixtures, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life with style and precision. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. And let us show you how we can elevate your home to new heights of elegance and comfort. Trust Renovate Now Calgary for all your home renovation needs in Calgary. Contact us today to schedule your consultation. Your dream home awaits.